Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into why the LPG business is booming in 2024. Liquefied petroleum gas, or LPG, has seen a remarkable rise and it's catching investors' eyes for all the right reasons. First off, let's talk demand. The global shift towards cleaner energy sources has put LPG in the spotlight. With countries committing to reduce carbon emissions, LPG is becoming a go-to alternative to coal and oil. It's cleaner, more efficient, and increasingly accessible. Now, on to supply. Technological advancements have made LPG extraction and distribution more cost-effective than ever. From shale gas extraction to improved logistics, the whole supply chain has gotten a serious upgrade. This means better margins for businesses and more attractive returns for investors. But it's not just about the environment and technology. LPG is versatile. It's used in residential heating, cooking, automotive fuel, and even industrial applications. This diverse usage spreads risk and ensures steady demand across various sectors. Here's another kicker: government policies. Many governments are offering subsidies and incentives for LPG adoption. This is not just a trend, but a strategic move to secure energy independence and promote sustainable growth. Let's not forget the emerging markets. Countries in Asia and Africa are rapidly urbanizing, and their energy needs are soaring. LPG is perfectly positioned to meet these demands efficiently. Investing in LPG now means tapping into these high-growth regions early on. What does this mean for investors? Well, the LPG market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of over 4% through 2028. That's a steady climb, indicating robust and sustained growth. And here's the cherry on top: LPG companies are innovating. From smart cylinders to mobile refilling units, the industry is leveraging technology to enhance user experience and operational efficiency. This innovation not only boosts profitability, but also attracts a tech-savvy customer base. In summary, the LPG business is booming because it's cleaner, cost-effective, versatile, supported by favorable policies, and expanding in emerging markets. For investors, it's a golden opportunity to be part of a sustainable and profitable sector. So, are you ready to fuel your portfolio with LPG? Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into booming industries.